Hi, my name is Ifat Foster. I am here in Pueblo, Colorado. I am session of 101 with Mr. Doug Becker, and was a wonderful experience to learn all these amazing things. But like always, time was very short to learn more. But I got very interesting information how to start my business, and I recommend everybody who can to have this experience as well, because for me was very new beginning and opened my eyes on many things, and that was very good, and I am very grateful for Mr. Doug Becker because he helped me a lot, and I thank him for that, and I wish him well. Thank you.